I'm Nermin, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. This simple potato salad is one of the dishes that has a French influence. Let's assemble this delicious salad together. In a big mixing bowl, I start adding the diced potatoes. And now I'm gonna combine all my ingredients in this container with a lid, shake it well, and add it to my salad. I'll start with the olive oil, chopped shallots, I'll add the lemon, my chopped parsley, now the spices, sprinkle of paprika. This is sweet paprika, not smoked paprika. Cayenne, optional. Potatoes love cumin and coriander. Some salt, garlic powder. The reason I don't like to add a fresh garlic, I found it too overpowering in fresh salads. I prefer garlic powder. And finally, the mustard. I put the lid, I shake, shake, shake. Feel free to add your dressing immediately to your salad and keep it in the fridge up to 3 days. No more boring potatoes with this dressing. And the salad is ready to be garnished and served. Now that I'm about to serve my potato dish or potato salad, I like to sprinkle some leaves of parsley to give it some freshness. A drizzle of extra virgin olive oil would go a long way. I would be so happy if you try this dish in your kitchen. Leave a comment below, and I will be back with more interesting dishes from my Egyptian kitchen.